have done RFA for thyroid lesion from 2016. Until now, I have a nice experience to do RFA for the thyroid lesions. Before approaching the RFA for thyroid, I also do the RFA for the liver tumor 2012. And at that time, first time, I hear about the radio frequency for thyroid when attending the ACTA conference 2015. And at that time, I had never idea or concept about this method. And then 2016, I came to the ASAN Medical Center to join the thyroid masterclass with the guidance of Professor Beck. And until now, I do the RFA every day. According to the research and clinical practice, the complication of the radio frequency for the thyroid have very low rate. This procedure can perform by the experienced doctor and complete under ultrasound guide to ensure that accurate of this procedure. And the major complication of the RFA for thyroid, such as hoarseness or voice change due to damage the recurrent laryngeal nerve. And however, most recover after 1 to 3 months. And other complications like hypothyroidism, bleeding, or hematoma or inflammation are very rare. Over the year, the treatment result report by my patient group, people can see the benefit of the radio frequency for the thyroid malignancies, especially PTMC. And the radio frequency for the thyroid can help the patient preserve their thyroid and no need to use the replacement hormones therapy after treatment. And currently, the patient have thyroid nodules, especially PTMCs, who are introduced or advised use these measures. Not only that, other doctors come from the other hospital, and our former patient also send the similar case for us. And I think now the people more and more aware the preserving thyroid gland and the benefit of the radio frequency for the thyroid.